Ahoy there, ladies and gentlemen. This is Richard Kami of Nosa Capital, coming to you on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. I hope you've all been keeping well and taking good care of yourselves, considering the current dispensation across the planet. Anyway, today I bring to you another quick S&P 500 E-mini futures review, and we're going to start with the larger trends, as always. And as you can see, this is the 1 month trend. This is the monthly trend, I beg your pardon. And as you can see, it's definitely bullish. The candles are above the cloud, very, very close to the Kijun-sen, and which might even go above the Kijun-sen. But as you can tell, the monthly charts take a bit of a while to actually change, or the monthly charts see a little while before its fortunes change. In other words, before it starts becoming bearish. So let's go to something a bit more rapid. Let's look at the weekly charts. And on the weekly chart, we can see that the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen. Our Chiku span here runs free, although the lines here, the price action here could act as a kind of bit of a resistance, but we're not seeing that at the moment. And if we look at it, our price action here is within the cloud. Now, as you all know, anyone who used Ichimoku knows that once your price action is within the clouds, you do not trade. You wait for that price action to come out of the cloud, either as a bullish drive or bearish. But we shall wait and see. Let's go down to the 1 day. Again, you can see here that the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen. That's this blue one. The blue line here is above the red one here. Another thing that you can see is that the price action has been heading upwards, and because of this is very weakly bullish, very weakly. It's got a kind of bullish action, but it's quite weak. Some of the price action here is also within the cloud. The Chiku span runs free, possibly going to run free to actually drive the price right through. There's no real price congestion here. And as you can also see here, that the Kijun-sen is also a bit flat, which shows you that this is in bullish consolidation. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Now, as I've often said to you before, and I'll say it again, the 4-hour is the bridge between the swing traders and the long-term traders. It also tells you the possibility of how this is the time frame that will tell you the possibility of a change of direction within the overall trend of the S&P 500 E-mini. And as you can see here, we've been a kind of a very long, as you can see there, very long consolidation phase, a bullish consolidation. As you can see, the price is just going right across, it's not really doing anything. And the last 4 or 5 candles here of the price action are within the clouds. Now, it's coming close to becoming fully bullish, but that's something that we have to kind of wait and see what happens. But as soon as these candles come out of the cloud and you've got a second candle to confirm that, then you know that you're beginning a bullish trend. The bullish trend is also likely to be a bullish trend because, as you can see, the blue line here, the Tenkan-sen is just sneaking over the Kijun-sen. So there's bound to be within the larger time frames, there are bound to be scalping options. You could have opportunities possibly within the 1 day or 1 week charts to make some quick money for yourselves if you decide to go that way. But if you're taking a long term or more of a swing trade, I would always suggest wait for this cloud, wait for the price action to come out of the cloud, then get a confirmation and take your trade. Anyway, as I've often said to you, and I will always continue to say to you, when it comes to price action and when it comes to the markets, your guess is as good as mine. Keep your eyes and ears open and your trading sharp. Take care of yourselves.